Get excited about the 2017 Cadillac XT5. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, heated door mirrors, skid plates, and power front seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.